Welcome to the Suntide 3 Condominium, located at 3000 Gulf Boulevard on sunny South Padre Island. If you've been looking for a beachfront high-rise condo with some of the best amenities on the island, this is the one you've been waiting for. Unit 909 is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo that has been completely remodeled and is selling fully furnished. There's nothing left to do but move in and start enjoying island life.
Hello, and welcome to Suntide 3, Unit 909. Come on in and have a look around. The open concept living, dining, and kitchen area is a great place to entertain friends and family after a day at the beach.
The floor-to-ceiling windows provide a stunning view of the Gulf of Mexico.
The dining area has seating for 6, with additional seating at the kitchen bar. There's a convenient wet bar with plenty of storage. The kitchen features gorgeous quartz countertops, new cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of cabinet and counter space.
Just look at the sparkle in that countertop. And there's a special light setting for romantic dinners. And now let's check out what's sure to be one of your favorite features of this condo, the oceanfront balcony. This condo has the best of both worlds. There's also an amazing view of the bay from the West Walkway.
And now let's visit the first of 2 bedrooms. This one has an ensuite bath, a spacious closet, and an amazing ocean view. The second bedroom is conveniently located next to the second bath. Behind this door, we'll find the utility room. It's large enough for a full-size washer and dryer and has plenty of built-in shelving.
Now that we've explored the interior of the condo, let's check out the Suntide 3 amenities. Suntide 3 has a beachfront outdoor pool. And Suntide 3 is one of the few condo complexes on the island that has an indoor pool. Covered parking is available. There are 2 recently updated sports courts, one for tennis and the other designed for a variety of your favorite sports. And that concludes our tour of Unit 909 of the Suntide 3 Condominium. If you'd like to visit in person, contact your favorite local real estate agent.